You move it now, the cam? No, you gotta make one more move first. Yeah, now move it now.
So, have you learned more about climbing?
Yeah.
Stuff like that, or are you learning more how to cause trouble?
Helps if you have more reason than we do, I know.
Trucker music.
Yeah, okay. Here's an awesome handhold right here. But you gotta smear out first. Pull yourself up. Right here. Right here. Yeah. And now move your hand over to here. Okay. Match hands. Okay. And then right here. Yeah, you got it.
Oh man, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, way to go.
The peanut gallery over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Find 12 climbers.
Nice reach.
Yeah. Way to go.
There you go.
I thought they were doing big ones.
What do you say, Leon?
This is hard.